Bardeen AI extension not working, yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when your automations just stop. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, refresh your browser. I mean, sometimes the extension just needs a quick reload to start working again. Next, go to your extensions page and make sure Bardeen is enabled. Yeah, if it's turned off, it won't run at all. Now, pin the extension to your toolbar. I mean, it helps you quickly access it and confirm it's active. Okay, check the extension permissions. Make sure it has access to the websites you're using. Next, restart your browser. Yeah, this clears temporary bugs and refreshes the extension. Also, update the Bardeen extension. I mean, older versions can break or stop working properly. If you have other extensions enabled, try disabling them. Some can interfere with Bardeen's functionality. Now, clear your browser cache. Yeah, corrupted data can cause extension issues. If it's still not working, reinstall Bardeen. I mean, this resets everything and fixes deeper problems. So yeah, that's how you fix Bardeen AI extension not working. One of these steps should get it running again. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.